Hi, this is the bat.
And I'm the cat.
And we're living in Nelspruit, South Africa, where it's very warm, 39 degrees.
Yeah.
And we have snakes.
And spiders. And very horrible goggles all over the place.
So we caught a snake under the dog's blanket. And now we're going to put it in a glass jar to identify it.
Which was in the house.
Yeah.
So yes, a snake problem is quite a thing in Nelspruit. So we're going to see now what it is.
Let's go to drop it in the glass jar. What's in it? Okay. So we have a suspicion it's a venomous snake. So we're gonna drop it in there. Right. Okay, what does it look like to you?
Oh, that looks like a black mamba.
Hello.
That looks like a mamba.
Okay. Where's your mouse? So we contacted our local snake expert, Chris. We actually have guys that catch snakes in Nelspruit. That's their job.
Yes.
Okay, it's a Cape wolf snake.
Yes, and it's not venomous. It's apparently like a boa constrictor. It suffocates its catches. So yes, rather be safe than sorry, eh?
It bites into the victim and constricts it like a python or
Yes.
a boa constrictor. So, but we were good to be cautious, and especially around snakes in this area. We've got a lot of venomous snakes.
Yeah, it also looks a lot like the stiletto snake. So rather be cautious and get somebody that knows what they're doing about the snake.
So be careful out there. This is the bat signing out.
And the cats.